Hey everyone, this is Kerry over at Multicopter Warehouse, and we just got a shipment in today, and look what came in. The Mavic Air Fly More Combo. Yeah, I can't wait to open this thing up and see what's all inside and how it all looks. So let's get right to it. This is going to be an Onyx Black version. Now, if you don't know, it also comes in Flame Red and Arctic White. So we'll get the shrink wrap off of here. And let's open this thing up. Let's take a look inside. Everything's nice and well packaged in here, and I see two different cases. I'm gonna start with the small one, which looks to be just slightly bigger than a sunglasses case. So let's get this guy opened up. And there's the Mavic Air right there. Let's take a quick look at this thing and do a little comparison in size. I mean, this thing fits perfectly in the palm of my hand. Right here, I've got a Spark. And you can see that folded up, it's actually smaller than a Spark. That is unbelievable. It's got a Mavic Pro here, and you can see height-wise, it's quite a bit different. Length-wise, it's a little bit shorter. And width-wise, it's about the same in the folded configuration. Let's see what this guy looks like when we get her opened up. So it's kind of similar to the Mavic in how those legs open up. And you also have the antennas on the front legs that are also landing gear. So it actually keeps the gimbal off the table or off the ground a little bit more. So now when we do a comparison with the Spark, now we can see it is bigger than the Spark. Not by a whole lot with the props out, but it's still going to be a couple inches wider and a little longer than a Spark. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Mavic Pro here. Now we can see a really big difference in the size compared to the Mavic Pro. Mavic Pro is definitely a lot wider and quite a bit longer when, especially when we take into account the props here. So significant size reduction from the Mavic Pro and a little bit bigger than the Spark. So let's move these guys aside and see what else we have in here. We've got the shoulder bag. This is a very nice quality. It's got a pocket on the front, and there's a zippered pocket on the back here. So let's take a look inside this guy. So we have a box right on top, and this has all of our different cables in it and 2 full sets of extra props. So 8 additional props come in the box here. It's got the USB-C cable to standard USB cable for plugging into your computer to be doing firmware updates and things with the PC Assistant. Over on the side here, we've got the remote control. Now you notice it looks a lot more similar to the Spark remote than the Mavic remote, because the Mavic Pro remote had the built-in LCD screen. I'm going to remove this little sticker here so I can show you what's underneath, because you notice there's no joysticks on top here. When you open it, you have storage for the joysticks that just come out and screw into place. So for traveling, sticking it in a case like this, being able to take the joysticks off and put them away, I think is a really nice big win. Definitely is going to keep them more protected than having them loose like that and bouncing around. Okay, inside of here we have the charger, the power cord, and the 2 additional batteries. So all that is in here ready to go. Let's take a look at this charging hub that comes with it. Now this can charge 4 batteries at a time. You notice it's nice and compact, and just flip it open and the batteries slide in. And it's got nice rubberized little pads on it so it doesn't slip around when it's on the table. You've got your charger here that is going to plug into the charging hub with 2 USB ports on it. So you can charge your phone as well as the remote control with it. Now back to the accessory box here. I'm going to open this guy up here because I think there's a nice little extra surprise going on in here. We have a power bank so you can plug in your batteries, and it has USB out so you can charge your phone or top off your controller with your batteries. There's the USB-C cable, really long cable too. Very surprised how long this cable is. It has the USB cables. If you're using an Android phone, you can replace the cable on there because it comes with a lightning cable already installed for use with an iPhone. Now this little bag has 2 little goodies in it. It has a USB-C to micro USB adapter, so you can use it to plug into a standard micro USB port instead of USB-C if you don't have that. The other little surprise that's in this bag are 2 additional joysticks. Just like the Apple AirBuds, you can lose these things pretty easily, and DJI was very gracious there in including 2 extra joysticks in the package. So now we've got it all unboxed. We're ready to get this thing charged up and get out and fly it. I can't wait to put this thing outdoors and really see what this thing can do. So check them all out here at Multicopter Warehouse. The Mavic Air is $7.99 and the Mavic Air Fly More Combo for $9.99. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.